Raised in poverty, driven by purpose. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, Marcelle Jackson's journey from hardship to hope.
From nothing to something. The story of Marcelle Jackson, a past student of Central High School. She overcame humble beginnings in Mapen, Clarendon, where she grew up in a single-parent household with her mother and siblings.
It got to a point where she lost her job. After losing her job, we were unable to pay our rent. Every month, our lights will get cut off.
She battled extreme financial struggles during her high school years. But she stayed motivated, eventually attaining 13 CXC subjects.
Because I have seen some of the challenges my family face in the country, I decided that I did not want to grow up facing the same challenges as well. And so I decided that I wanted a way out for my family, and I decided that I wanted to go to college.
Miss Jackson continued her academic journey at St. Joseph Teachers College in 2015. Through the support of her MP and government assistance programs, she completed college. And by 2020, she decided to fulfill her philanthropic dream, starting the MJ Foundation, a non-profitable organization to support persons in her community.
The idea of building the foundation was because of my own financial struggles going to college. So while going to college, as I mentioned, my mom did not have the money. So it was hard for me to go to college. She had to wash for my neighbor for just $5,000. That money wasn't enough, but there were persons in the community, for example, the shopkeeper and my neighbor who I would sometimes borrow money from.
She currently teaches at Mapen Primary School and has recently earned a master's degree. She was awarded the ambassador title under the Governor General's program in November of 2021 and was appointed a Justice of the Peace 2 years later. Miss Jackson leaves a message of hope and encouragement.
To keep going no matter the struggles you face or the challenges you face. Just keep a growth mindset, be resilient, be determined, and know what you want and go after it, because there's not going to be anyone who will come and save you unless you want to be saved.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Cameron White.